Hello guys, before taking observation from vernier calipers, you are to find list count of the vernier calipers, which can find by using this relation pitch over number of division on vernier scale. If you observed your vernier calipers, there are two scale engraved on it. This is called main scale, and in this lower part it is called vernier scale. Pitch means the minimum distance between two successive lines of main scale, which is 0.01 centimeter. Number of division on vernier scale means there are total 10 division. So 10 by dividing this to 0.1 by 10, you get 0.01 centimeter. The second most important thing is to find zero error of this instrument. Observe your instrument. Just close the jaws of the instrument, and you can see this is the main scales 0 and this is vernier scales 0. I have sketched few different position of the vernier calipers. If you close the jaws of the vernier calipers and 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier scale coincide are exactly aligned, then this instrument is zero error free, means there is no zero error. But if you close this instrument, these jaws of the vernier calipers, and the position is such that means 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier scale does not coincide in these two situations, this is there is some zero error in this instrument. You are to find this zero error. In this position, this is called positive zero error because this instrument is giving excess value. This is the excess value, so positive error is always subtracted from the final reading, and this situation is called negative zero error. This negative error is always added to final reading. You can see this 0 is crossed first line of the main scale, so zero error is 0.1. Now you are to find one of the line of the vernier scale which is exactly aligned with the main scale. As I can see, this fourth line is exactly aligned with this line of the vernier main scale. Vernier's fourth line is exactly aligned with the this line, means number of division over here is 4. This is the main scale reading and vernier scale reading is 4 multiplied by it's a list count which is 0.01. So this value is 0.04. The final reading, final zero error, positive zero error can be obtained by adding main scale and zero error. 0, it is 0.14. This is the positive zero error, so there should be a positive sign. So zero error in this instrument is plus 0.14. Using this instrument, these vernier calipers, we can find out the external diameter of this beaker, internal diameter or thickness of this pen. For find external diameter, you are to place this in such a way. To find internal radius of this instrument, you are to adjust vernier calipers in this way. I am going to find the external diameter of this beaker. So I am going to fix it in such a way. Now you are to read this reading of this main scale and vernier scale. You need an observation table to find the reading. As you can see over here, this 0 of the vernier scale has crossed 4.5 and then 4.9. So the main scale reading is 4.9 centimeter. Vernier scale, 0 of the vernier scale has crossed the 4.9. Now we are to find one of the line from the vernier scale which is exactly aligned with the line of the main scale. As I can see, if you will observe, you can see in this the third line is of the vernier scale of this vernier scale is exactly aligned with the main scale. So the number of division on vernier scale is 3. Vernier scale reading is always multiplied by its least count 0.01. So vernier reading is 0.03. Total reading can be found by adding main scale reading and vernier scale reading, means 4.9 plus 0.03. So the final reading is 4.93 centimeter is the diameter of this beaker. You can take few more observation for more accuracy. You can change the orientation, or you can change the place. Over here you can fix it, over here you can fix it, over here you can change its orientation in such a way, perpendicular direction or in this way. It will give more accurate results if you will take observation more and more. I have taken few more observation. In this main scale reading there is no change, but there can be slightly deviation of one or two number of blocks, like here was 3 and there is 4, so it will give few readings. Now you have 1, 2 and 3 readings, so you are to find the mean observation, yeah, or mean diameter. So mean diameter can be obtained by adding this 3 final reading divided by 3, so you will get the mean, and the mean value is 4.93. if you have zero error in your instrument, your vernier calipers, the final reading will be observed reading minus, if there is positive error it is subtracted. Since this instrument has no zero error, so it is 0. The final reading is 4.93. if there is negative error, whatever be the negative error, it is always added in observed reading.